Hey guys! Redmi K40s has been announced in China alongside the Redmi K50 and K50 Pro. It is not wrong to say that the Redmi K40s is a sibling to the Redmi K40 that was launched last year. The K40 was a popular device with its cumulative sales volume put at over 10 million units. The wide popularity of the K40 may have triggered the need for the Chinese tech giant to launch the K40s despite moving on to the K50 series. The big difference is the body design of Redmi K40s and K40. As you can see in the video, the Redmi K40s and K40 both have body protection as back Corning Gorilla Glass Victus and as front also Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The Redmi logo is embossed on the back. The frame of this device is aluminum and it gives a smooth feel. On the both of the devices have stereo speakers on the top and bottom, and they have IR blaster on the top as well. On the right side they have volume rocker and power button which is fingerprint sensor on side mounted. The both devices have the same USB Type-C charging port and SIM slot which is support nano cards. Redmi K40s come in 4 color options with the black, silver, green and blue. But on the other hand, the Redmi K40 just come in 3 color options with black, silver and blue. Green color was not in its option. Most of the Chinese brand phones don't support Google Play. Just to make sure, I searched in the setting in this device and I have found that it has a basic Google service, so it means it can support Google Play as well. Although the K40 brings 4520 mAh battery and it's still using 33 watt of charging. They have optimized it a lot this time. It charges to 69% in half an hour and can be fully charged in 54 minutes. So this is faster than many other brands 40 watt charging. But on the other hand, the Redmi K40s gets a 4500 mAh battery, non-removable with speedy 67 watt charging, which should top up the battery from 0 to 100% in just 38 minutes. In other aspects, the Redmi K40s and K40 both are powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset and octa core 3.2 GHz paired with 6, 8, 12 LPDDR5 RAM. The both phones sport a 6.67-inch Samsung E4 AMOLED straight screen with an FHD plus resolution. It supports for 120Hz refresh rate, but the K40s brings vapor chamber liquid 3122 mm2 and the K40 also brings vapor chamber but without liquid. The touch sampling rate can reach up to 360 Hz when gaming. So far, the K40s is pretty much identical to the K40. The Redmi K40s and K40 both have a 20 megapixel selfie camera. K40s main camera is the 48 megapixel IMX582 sensor introduced the last year before, and there is an optical image stabilization which brings stability during photo and video recording while on the move. The ultra wide angle lens is 8 megapixel and there is a 2 megapixel telephoto macro lens. And K40 main camera is also 48 megapixel. The ultra wide angle sensor is 8 megapixel but telephoto macro lens is 5 megapixel and there is no OIS optical image stabilization. Let's get dive into the camera setting and options. The options all the same in the both devices, but during recording the video can be recorded up to 4K 60 fps but Redmi K40 can up to 4K 30 fps. I took some pictures and videos and I'm speaking Urdu in the video samples, but I'm sure that you will see the differences between these two devices recording result. ये फ्रंट कैमरा से मैंने इसकी वीडियो बनाई है। ये मैं इन दोनों से सेल्फी वीडियो बनाना शुरू की है। Redmi K40s के अंदर 1080p 60 fps आप रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं, 30 fps भी। अगर Redmi K40 के अंदर 1080p 60 fps नहीं है, 1080p 30 fps है। तो क्या है, मैं इसमें रनिंग कर रहा हूँ और आपको पता चलेगा क्या रिजल्ट है। I guess ये बैक कैमरा से मैंने वीडियो बनाई है। अब मैं ये दोनों की बैक कैमरा से वीडियो बना रहा हूँ 40 30 fps है। अभी दोनों में रनिंग कर रहा हूँ तो आपको स्टेबलाइजेशन का पता चल जाएगा कैसा है। So like this। इसको हम जूम भी कर सकते हैं दोनों को। दोनों जूम एक ही तरह से जा रहे हैं, रिजल्ट दोनों का सेम ही है। Good. Redmi K40s comes in 4 color options: black, silver, green and blue color. Redmi K40s price starts at 1799 RMB, which can be $282 for its 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. The other 3 variant prices are given. The price are converted from Google. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video and please consider to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.